Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy TUT token or tutorial token on Binance Alpha. As you know, tutorial is hype right now because it just lists on Binance Alpha and maybe it will list also on spot Binance. So yeah, if you want to buy it on Binance Alpha, it's very easy. First open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner. And then as you can see, there is wallet option in the top. You can click it. And now you can go to this menu in Alpha. And now you can go to Alpha here. And as you can see, there is TUT token. You can click it. And then as you can see, this is the chart. And you can buy it by click swipe here. And you can swap your BNB to TUT. If you don't have BNB, you have to buy it first and then you can swap it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.